guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, in this video it's time for even more power on my 2008 BMW 335i. Now you may realize I do have the JB4 G5 ISO with the JB4 back-end flash pump one loaded onto my car. Now that has been great, but it's time for even more power. I'm teaming up with a JSR tuning. That way I can get a custom back-end flash via MHD. If you haven't watched my video on how to add a JB4 back-end flash via MHD, I'll post the video up here at the top. Check out that DIY. I'll go through step by step as far as what to do, how to do it within the MHD app itself. Now all JB4 back-end flashes are still owned by Burger Motorsports. They're just available to flash via MHD. When you go to the custom route, you have a custom tuner tweak all your criteria and then makes it just that much better running on your car, because at the end of the day, if you're running any kind of flash that's not custom technically, you're running a off-the-shelf map that is going to work with your car and obviously everyone else's car. So throwing that custom tune mix into it, you're tweaking your car settings to exactly how your car is running today. So we'll have to do some logging, and I'm going to show you that, how to prepare a log, how to run a log, and how to send the information back to your tuner. And then once I get the custom flash file from JSR Tuning, then I will show you the step-by-step of how to load it back on to your DME using the MHD app. And then of course you'll see some kind of before and after, so we can test the results there. We'll do some post logging as far as after it's done, just to see how much it's improved, how the boost comes on, drivability, just a overall, review as far as how much different a custom flash is compared to just a normal back-end flash. Well, just like I mentioned, still retain the JB4. I've always been a big JB4 fan, and as far as the safety, features, and all that kind of stuff. Now, when you throw a flash onto it with your JB4, it's a whole different picture as far as just running a JB4 alone. I go through 7 benefits as far as why you should run a JB4 with a flash. I'll post it up here at the top. Definitely very important. Some great points. So retaining the JB4 for that absolute boost control, all the safety features, everything else with it, with running it over 4 years on my car, 60,000 miles. But as far as my setup today, I'll post everything in the description box below so you guys can check out exactly what tablet I use, OTG cable, and of course JB4 and then the Bluetooth Connect kit. That way we can do our logging, and I'll show you that in those next videos to come. Here's to more power on my 2008 BMW 335i. Time to kick it up. It's going to be fun, and even more modifications to come for that. Well guys, thanks for stopping in, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. See you soon. God boost.